Don't make me hit you with my pocketbook. Say it again. Oh.
Hello my awesomes, so welcome back to my channel. I am Natalie, your host as usual, and if you're new, hi, hello there, welcome to my awesome weirdness. So just a small disclaimer before we get started, this is my second time doing a unit installation on myself, and I gotta admit, the first time I butchered it. It literally lasted me no more than a month. So second time's a charm, right? Well, third, but rules are meant to be broken, sort of. So as you can see, I did the basic cap behind the ear method here, where I add the free spray and then just began drying it until I felt that it was completely dried. Really quick TMI, this unit was literally $66. Yes, I kid you not, $66. Like bargain or nah? Now what I'm doing is shedding the excess cap around the hairline that I'm not going to be needing. And I did go ahead and do it off screen because any kind of cutting I wanted to be precise and careful. Let's not butcher the second one, alright? Now to clean up. I'm taking some alcohol in a rag and just removing any excess product that was left there by the spray. Smash! And this step right here is super optional. Because I didn't want to do anything extreme to the unit, I just went in with the simple powder method, but you can go ahead and bleach your unit if you choose to. As you can see here, I got pretty carried away and started applying my inner dude, but it's all part of the process. Okay, so this is the unit. These are the natural coils that came in, but I did wash and comb her out before the installation. It did of course come with clips on every end, which I don't think is necessary for every installation, but it helps with the process, I guess. I did also use the powder method on the hair itself just to kind of increase the natural hairline effect. Now, this is where it gets really tricky. Removing ear tabs are one of the most challenging things I find when installing a unit. I mean, besides removing the lace, of course. So you want to be super careful when doing this step. I didn't remove too much because, like I said, I did not want to butcher it again, so I was super careful about it. Now there are techniques where you can apply it underneath the unit, but I just wanted to go and do something simple because I'm a person who changes my hair a lot. So I'm applying the free space section by section and going in with my edge comb just to make sure that everything is set in place the way I wanted it to be. And guys, be advised, you can use the glue or whatever kind of adhesive that you want to tack your unit down with. You don't have to necessarily use this spray, but this is what I like because it's simple and it's easy to remove when the time comes. Plus I find actually with the free spray is that it doesn't make everything tacky, so it works so much better for me. As you can see here, it is still in fact a free spray, so it is going to leave the hair stiff or dry. But no worries, it can easily be fixed. What I'm doing now is going in with some oil, just applying it lightly, and then combing it out into a dry effect. Looks about right. Now for the ultimate, most challenging, most intense part of an installation, to me. The removal of the actual lace. And the small tip that I picked up is never to cut it straight, just do a little jagged effect, just to make sure you don't have a circular just block on your forehead as edges. Well, yeah, that explains it, sort of. Now what I'm doing is going in back with the blow dryer and just making sure everything is in place and dry the way I want it to, because you have to be sure before tying it. Because the one thing you do not want is wet and out of place edges before you band it down, because this is what holds everything. Well, she's on, she's laid, and she's ready to be slayed, honey. And I think that's pretty much about it. If you guys have different tips and tricks that you use to do your unit, please share them. I would love to hear them. Because let's be honest, I'm still new to the game, so I need as much as I can get. Oh, and here it is. When it has the whole spray, it doesn't budge. I think that's about covers it. Have a greatest time in the world, awesomes. Bye. Smash. Hey, why not? Click that bell. Like, comment, and all that good jazz. Until next time, ciao!